Welcome to the video, guys. I'm going to try and keep this quick, but it's something a little bit different. I'm reviewing a pair of trousers. So I hope that just shows you how impressed I am with them. Basically, I bought two pairs of trousers for £25 each, and they weren't great. I wanted some stretch trousers for a change. Like I said, I found a certain pair, gave them a go. I'm usually a 32 waist, so that's what I went for, but they were absolutely massive. I was going to then go down to a 30, but it wasn't the only problem. The legs, say my leg was this sort of thickness, the trousers were like that, and that just bugs me when they're just flapping around. They're also ridiculously long, because I'm only about 5'7", so I'm quite short, and I couldn't get them in a shorter size. So that moved me on to these Site Brochman trousers. These were more expensive though. Took a gamble. They were £40. There was no reviews at the time, hence why I'm making this video for you guys. The Screwfix video on YouTube wasn't great. You don't get to see much, and if you're like me, I like to kind of see what I'm buying before I get it, just so I'm not wasting time having to take stuff back. So here we are. Like I say, Site Brochman trousers for £40. So these are also stretch. As you can see, they're nice and comfy. I'm not going to start doing a workout video, but you can squat down in them and they're not restrictive at all. I've actually got a pair of walking trousers that are a very similar material, and I always thought back then I'd happily wear these for work. So the fact that I've now got a pair of trousers in that material is just great. Other things then, they come with reinforced knees, which the cheaper pair did not. They are also breathable, and it gets a bit warmer. Again, that's kind of what you want. Cheaper pair again, they wasn't, so I'm just kind of thinking for the extra £15 you're getting a bit more, and they're also very nice fitting. The slim, as you can see, they're not like just really baggy for my legs, but there's enough there so they're still comfortable, and they also go over the boot instead of like some slim ones, your boots then kind of like that, which I'm not keen on. So I like the fact they still go over the boot even though they're slim. Like I say, you've got your good range of motion in them. So I'm talking about pockets. You've got your two standard back pockets, big enough. I wouldn't say a chunky wallet, seeing as there's not much in there, but a wallet goes in when my top's not in the way. Nice and easy. Two of them. There is no Velcro or anything, no button though, so it is just two open back pockets. On the side, if you can see that, you've got a hammer loop. You've got three more little loops on this front pocket here. Might struggle a bit because obviously it's black on black. And then we've got three individual pockets with stitching to separate. But then also one deep pocket here, which I'm going to keep using this as a reference because I'm filming on my phone. So I took the phone out of the case. It's a Samsung 24 Ultra, so one of the biggest phones around at the minute. Bear in mind, this is also a chunky case, which makes it even bigger, but that fits in there quite nicely. But there is actually a spot for the phone, which we'll go through in a bit. Same leg, you've got a deep pocket at the back, at the side, sorry, just one big deep pocket, and then in front of that you have got two individual slim pockets with stitching again separating, and then you've got two more little hooks here, if you can really see them very well. Other side then, again, you've got another flappy pocket. It's got some keys in there at the minute. So again, a deep pocket at the back, and you've got a zip pocket just in front of that, and then another little shallow pocket out the front, so another three pockets just on there. Moving on to this side then, this is what I quite like. You've got the Velcro pocket on the side. Again, one deep pocket here, which is pretty good. An individual little pocket to this side here, which is in front of the deep pocket. But then you've got another little Velcro tab, and this is, I believe, your actual phone pocket. It might not go very well because it's not got the phone in, so it's not nice and sturdy. But like I said, one of the biggest phones out there at the minute, and that goes in no problem. It's still comfortable to walk around with. It's not then like, because I used to always put it in one of these, and then you're walking, it's just kind of banging about against your leg, get all your dust stuck in there. This way, it's out of the way, it's still easy enough to get to. Like I say, I've got a big phone and it fits in there nicely. Like I say, and that is with quite a chunky protective case on it as well, and it still goes in nice and easy. Last thing to mention then, probably, it has got top access, what you call them, knee pads. So you slide them in there, obviously close them up. And I think that's about it, guys. Like I say, I'm a 32 waist and I did go for a 32. I probably could have gone down to a 30, but I prefer to have that little bit more room and wear a belt. I don't get the builder's bum with my belt if I'm bending over. Big bonus there. And also they don't feel ridiculously long either. These are actually a 32, and they still don't seem ridiculously long, which is nice. Like I said, the other ones would have literally been down here. So I hope that's helped you guys. I know it's a lot longer than I wanted the video to be, but just trying to get everything there, just so you know. So any questions though, feel free to ask, and I'll catch you next time.